So welcome back to the channel, guys. Yes, so there, man, we're going away from where that confluence was, but anyways, so now it's all just one river. We are just like gliding. Sign just went on, guys. On the plane. Make sure it's on.
Tripulación 10.000 pies.
Yeah, see now it's all one river. And the only time it actually changes size is like it'll rise and fall by 45 feet in depth from season to season, from dry season to wet season. Like for example, right now it's September, so we're right smack in the middle of the dry season, which starts in June and it goes all the way until January and June. The wetter series. It's the wetter.
Dear passengers, we're about to land in Iquitos. Please fasten your seatbelt, open your window shades to the table in front of you and put your seat back in upright position. All electronic devices must be set in our remote devices without dysfunction.
This little guy right here, that's the Rio Itaia. And the Rio Itaia eventually is going to end up flowing into the Amazon right up there. So you don't see any other rivers around here. Actually, the Itaia might be a little bit further this way, because we are now like, because it's right on the southbound sort of like border of Iquitos. Okay, so we're like 8 minutes away from landing, guys. There's a little road there. Yeah, that's not a river. That's definitely like a country road. Yeah, I think I spoke too soon. Yeah, because the Rio Itaia is just on the south branch of the city of Iquitos, and it flows into the right and then into the Amazon. And the Rio Nanay goes around the north, the west and the north, and then flows in like on the northeast side of the city. So it actually, the river of Amazon's on the east side, so it actually it makes Iquitos an island, because it's got it's bordered by river all around every other side. So yeah, guys, I'm really happy you guys are joining me on this journey. Like I said, it's a real sentimental journey, because I called this place my home for about 5 years. And coming back to what you formerly called your home, you're always gonna kind of have that sentimental approach and thoughts in mind, and seeing all your friends, people you got really close to, and then all of a sudden you had to kind of like leave them. So that's also a great thing to rekindle great friendships you've built. Start feeling you're part of the furniture. And then somebody goes to IKEA. Somebody goes to IKEA and gets some new furniture. Well, anyways, guys, we are just about now. You guys can really see the canopy of the aguajales. Aguajales are like usually big farms that just grow aguaje fruit, which is like one of the most consumed fruits in Peru. Now he's going to make some swivel turns. Wow. Oh, so see, like back there, you see one of the really wide branches of the Amazon. It's going to go well that way. Jungle dirt roads down there. That's it. Alright, so he's putting out the landing gear now. Alright guys, so yeah, we'll do a nice little hasta la chow chow here. But we'll see you in the next episode. We'll see you momentarily in the next episode. See, there you can see some
Tripulación próximos al aterrizaje.
Alright guys, see you in the next episode.